If we divide 647 by 5 in long division method, 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting, we get 1. So now we put down this 4 and it is 14. 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting, we get 4. So again we put down this 7 and it is 47. 5 times 9 is 45. On subtracting, we get 2. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal, so that we put 0. So it is 20 and 5 times 4 is 20. On subtracting, we get 0. So 647 divided by 5 is 129 decimal 4. So this much for today and thanks for watching.